If you need some English speaking practice, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Speak With Me video in 3 parts. In part 1, you will listen to a natural conversation between 2 people. In part 2, you will repeat after me and practice your lines. Part 3, we will have a conversation together. You will speak with me as we role play the full conversation from part 1. The conversation we will practice today is between Charlie and Alex as they plan a weekend away with their friends. In part 1, you simply listen to the full conversation. Let's get started. Hey Alex, have you thought any more about the weekend away? Hey, yes, I have actually. I think it's a really good idea. Same here. It would be so nice to get everyone together. Definitely. Do you have anywhere in mind? I was thinking we could rent an Airbnb somewhere in the countryside. That sounds perfect. Maybe somewhere not too far away. Yeah, I agree. I don't want to spend the whole weekend traveling. Exactly. Maybe within 2 or 3 hours? Yeah, that would be ideal. I can have a look later if you want. Great. How many people are we thinking? Probably between 6 and 8, depending on who's free. Okay, so we'll need a place with at least 4 bedrooms and a big kitchen or living area. Yeah, so we can all hang out together. Exactly. Maybe even somewhere with a garden. Oh, that would be great if the weather is nice. We could do a barbecue or something. Good idea. So when are we thinking of going? Maybe next month. Most of the group seems to be free on the first weekend. Yeah, that works for me. We should check with the others first. I'll send a message to the group chat later. Perfect. And what about food? I think everyone could bring something. Yeah, like a shared meal situation. Exactly. It makes things easier and cheaper as well. True. We should also think about activities. Do you mean like walks? And maybe some games? Oh, that's a good idea. And speakers for music. Definitely. That always makes it more fun. I'm really looking forward to it already. Same here. It's going to be a great weekend. Okay, that was part 1. You have heard the full conversation. Now we will move on to part 2. This time you are going to repeat after me. You will repeat Alex's sentences only. Listen first, then repeat. Hey, yes, I have actually. I think it's a really good idea. Definitely. Do you have anywhere in mind? That sounds perfect. Maybe somewhere not too far away. Exactly. Maybe within 2 or 3 hours. Great. How many people are we thinking? Okay, so we'll need a place with at least 4 bedrooms. Yeah, so we can all hang out together. Oh, that would be great if the weather is nice. Good idea. So when are we thinking of going? Yeah, that works for me. We should check with the others first. Perfect. And what about food? Yeah, like a shared meal situation. And cheaper as well. Do you mean like walks? Oh, that's a good idea. Definitely, that always makes it more fun. Same here, it's going to be a great weekend. Well done. Now it's time for part 3. This time you speak with me. I will say Charlie's lines and you are Alex. The text will appear on the screen to help you, but try to speak, not just read. Are you ready? Hey Alex, have you thought any more about the weekend away? Same here. It would be so nice to get everyone together. I was thinking we could rent an Airbnb somewhere in the countryside. Yeah, I agree. I don't want to spend the whole weekend traveling. Yeah, that would be ideal. I can have a look later if you want. Probably between 6 and 8, depending on who's free. And a big kitchen or living area. Exactly, maybe even somewhere with a garden. We could do a barbecue or something. Maybe next month. Most of the group seems to be free on the first weekend. I'll send a message to the group chat later. I think everyone could bring something. Exactly, it makes things easier. True. We should also think about activities. And maybe some games. And speakers for music. I'm really looking forward to it already. Well done. That was a full Speak With Me conversation. If you want more practice, you can repeat part 2 or go back to part 3 and try again without reading. You can even give your own answers. If you enjoyed this video, please like, hype, and subscribe. It really supports what I do on YouTube. And let me know in the comments below. Do you prefer a city break or a countryside weekend? I'll see you in the next video. Take care.